In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the footer on Shopify. Your footer is the section at the very bottom of your online store, and it's a great place to add important links, brand information, and contact details. Let's go through how you can customize it step by step inside your Shopify admin. First, log into your Shopify admin account. On the left-hand side of the dashboard, you'll see a menu. Look for the option called Online Store and click it. This will open the Themes section, where you can see your current theme at the top of the page. On the right side of that theme, there's a button labeled Edit Theme or Customize. Go ahead and click that to open the theme editor. Inside the editor, your screen is split into two main parts. On the right is a live preview of your store, and on the left is a panel that lists all the sections and blocks that make up your page. Scroll down that left panel until you reach the bottom. Your footer section will be one of the last items in the list. If you want to add a new section to your footer, look for an option that says Add Section within or near the footer area. Click it, and Shopify will show you the available sections you can add to your footer, depending on your theme. Select the type of section you want, and it will appear under your footer. Your footer section may also contain multiple blocks. To see these, click the small right-pointing arrow next to the footer section name to expand it. Now you'll see the existing blocks and an Add Block button. Click Add Block to choose from the types of content you can include, such as a menu, brand information, text, or an image. To remove something, hover over the section or block you don't want. You'll see a trash icon appear on the right side. Click that to delete it. If you only want to temporarily hide something without deleting it, click the eye icon instead. You can click the eye again to unhide it later. To rearrange the order of sections or blocks, hover over the item, click and hold, then drag it up or down and drop it where you want it to appear. To edit the content or styling of your footer or any block inside it, click directly on that section or block in the left panel. This will open the editing options on the right sidebar. Scroll through these options and adjust the text, links, images, or design settings that your theme provides. Keep in mind that the available options can vary depending on your theme and the type of block you're editing. As you make changes, you'll see the preview on the right update in real time, so you can check how everything looks. Take a moment to review your footer, make sure your links work, and confirm that the layout feels balanced and clear. When you're happy with your changes, look to the top right corner of the editor and click the Save button. This will publish your updated footer to your live store. Always remember to save before leaving the page so you don't lose any of your work. And that's all you need to edit and customize the footer on your Shopify store.